What's going on, everybody? DiamondTrail Ranch here tonight. Letting the dogs out, part of a daily routine here. See some ladies up here. My chickies. Doing a little bit of a checkup. It's a beautiful night. Oh, look at the sky out here, Central Florida. Well, we're going to be checking out a new church in the morning. We've still been kind of church hopping, if you want to call it that. Check on these animals while we're outside. I'm letting the dogs out, the chickens, the pigs. It's weird not having our pony here. It's alright. Hello. How are we all doing? Looking good. They're chilling over here because we're waiting to have this coop finished. Hopefully by Monday, so give it a couple days and it should be done. There's the ducks over there. Beautiful night sky. Everybody's looking good. It's always good to walk the property, even at night. You never know what you're going to see. Guys, let me know what kind of content you want to see. You know, this is new, what we're doing here at DiamondTrail Ranch. So, these ladies over here are going to be, a lot of them are pregnant right now, and they're due in the next 2 months. Some of them are due at the end of this month, some are due February, so we'll keep you updated on that. Most of them are pregnant. There's like 10 pregnant females over here, so see, some of them are registered, some are not. We'll go over all of that in great detail. We have lots of registered Nigerian dwarf goats. Our buck over there, he is registered, so we have papered babies. You guys can follow that. I'm going to be doing some gardening videos. On the front of the property over there, I laid down some wheat fabric barrier. That's going to be great. So, yeah. A lot of good news, a lot of good things are going to be coming to this channel soon. Just stay tuned to DTR, DiamondTrail Ranch. We also run an eBay store. You can see it on our page. There's a link in the description. It's got a lot of cool stuff. Vintage apparel, men's apparel, women's apparel, sports clothing, jerseys, you name it. We got trading cards. We find all kinds of cool stuff when we go out. So consider ourselves part-time resellers, you know. Just about anything you can think of, it's pops in and out of that store, so it's worth keeping tabs on. But the primary focus of this channel here is going to be the farm, or ranchette. These beautiful corgi girls, this little mix here, all the animals, so stay tuned.